What's the process of actually getting them out there?
Well, I mean, the process is incredibly complex and actually very highly and strongly legislated, because like a pharmaceutical product, any pesticide has to go through a very, very formal process which takes a significant amount of time and a huge investment. So in order for any product to be sold within the EU, and obviously we're at the moment still within the EU system, a product has to get itself onto what they call the Annex 1 list. That requires the active ingredient to be tested for any effects on disease, any effects on the environment, and long-term effects as well. So in order for a product to actually get through that first step, a huge amount of data has to be submitted. The next step, which happens more at a local level, is the active ingredient is then actually taken and formulated. Because most active ingredients, if you use them on their own, won't do anything. So again, as Colin was saying, the formulation is absolutely critical. So the next step is to actually register the formulation, which is the product that the end user uses. So in that step, they will be looking at efficacy, and obviously also testing whether the formulation has any issues in terms of user exposure and any environmental impacts. So there's two distinct steps that a product has to go through, and that takes 5 years from once you've actually done the original work, and it can take up to 10 years in order to get through the process.